Right, max. There we go, right. So you've seen. So the max is 6.8 kilometres, which is obviously nothing. I think we've just connected. Alright, yeah, we're getting speeds now, so let's see what she can do. Let's have a look. Don't expect it to be too fast. 46 kilometres, so again whatever that converts to, it'll show up on the screen now. But yeah, we'll see if we can get any better than that. .5 kilometres, which again I don't know what that converts to in miles per hour, but you'll see it on the screen. So fifty kilometres, 50.7. So that's what we're getting now. We'll just keep going. It's coming straight for me, Ned. How is it keeping on going up? We're hitting 52 now. That's the max. So 52.1. Not sure how accurate this thing is, but we seem to be getting faster and faster. Awesome! How are we still getting faster? Oh, hey! I think we're losing speed now though. Bloody hell, I'm surprised I haven't hit that twig. Are we going even faster? Nah, I think we're peaking at 54.1. So we'll give it another once up and down. Get nice and low for these passing shots. Coming up hot. It loves it. And I think we're going to leave it at that. We'll bring it back round, see what we're capping now. 54.1 still, so 54.1 is the maximum. I'm just going to bash this around now. I'll keep it on the head cam. I'll take my GPS off. But as you can see, 54.1 kilometers per hour, whatever that converts to is the maximum speed. So we'll just rip this around now. And then once the battery's done, we'll call it a day. Go help the missus clean up. Sounding right, innit? I feel like we're losing speed now though. I think I missed that. Oh, what? We've done it again, haven't we? Look! Another rod end gone. Is that the other side? I don't know if that's a new one or not, but we're done, aren't we? That's it over. That 3 rod ends I've broke recently, either I'm putting them on wrong. It's not good juju. Yeah, as if.